So today, I want to talk about how we allow our society to dictate how we act on our lives. Because too often, we did get to talk about being successful, whether it be financially, emotionally, whether it be physically. We talk about these things as if they're difficult to obtain, as if they're the hardest things on the planet to take and get to. But doing the reverse is much easier. My belief is you just become the habits that you set into place. And so if you have a family that is successful, the odds of the children being successful in that family dramatically increase. Just as if you have a family that is considered unsuccessful, the odds of those family members dramatically increase. Now again, I'm not saying it's going to be one way or another. I'm not saying it's a guaranteed, and I try not to do blanket statements, even though this is kind of a blanket statement. What I am saying is we become the habits we are associated with. Things can be hard or things can be easy. Habits are easy. Habits are easy. Implementing new habits may be difficult if you're used to your old habits. But again, after you implement the habit becomes easy. That's why it's called a habit. It's habitual. You cannot help yourself. And so little things like eating right, taking care of my finances, taking care of my family, having emotional support for everybody that I deal with, that's not hard for me because it's something I've practiced day in and day out. It's become natural for me to do. The reverse would be difficult for me. And if you took someone who had quote unquote bad habits, the reverse would be difficult at first, but they would learn and acquire the habit and the skill if the right implementations were put into play. And so I listen to some entrepreneurs who talk about just do it, take action. And they're right. It does come down to just taking action. But it's all those little things that we say in our head that make the biggest difference. Just a thought, the power of a thought can go a very, very long way. Just saying that you are capable. Just saying that something is easy. Just saying it's easy might change your mindset about how you approach it. Honestly, just saying it's hard might change your mindset about how you approach something too. Like, I'll give a perfect example. If someone was taught that doing the hard things is the most important thing to do, and you should always do the most important thing, then in your mind, you saying that it's hard will make you actually do it even more. Versus someone may be in a different mindset and think life is supposed to be easy. That over there is not easy, therefore I'm not doing it. But if you realize life is supposed to be easy, everything can become easy, then I can do everything. See, it's all gameplay and wordplay at the end of the day. And understanding how you see the world. Because some people actually, they want hard, they like it. So I tell them, say it's hard. But some people want easy, they like it. So say it's easy. But the truth of the matter is, you create your own reality. That's what it comes down to. Everything becomes what you need it to become, so you can accomplish the things you want to accomplish in this life. Go after what you want to do. Do the things you want to do.